this is Dinesh from the channel Tech Hub. Welcome to our channel and welcome to my new video. Finally, we have got rid of 2020 and we have entered into 2021. So let's clap. Okay, so let's begin the video. Now, coming straight to the point, the topic is all about how to add an HDR effect in your photo. Now, if you want your photo to be lit, please follow the steps. Do not skip this video and please like this video, subscribe to my channel Tech Hub and share this video to your relatives and comment down below your thoughts about this video. So let's not waste time and go edit. First of all, when you start, you need to have an application in your mobile called PICSART. The download link will be given in the description. So please go download and come back to the video. As you can see, the screen is over here. So when you enter the interface, so you get it like this, and you have to log in into Google, and those are steps you can itself do. And then you need to press plus symbol. You get a lot of options like this. So you have to press edit a photo. It's my own wish, whichever photo I want to choose I can. So I'm gonna choose one photo. It's up to you. Okay, after that you need to press the settings called FX. So I've pressed it. Press HDR. And to get extra settings, again press HDR. Then unsharp it a little bit. It's up to you. According to me, it's my convenience, so I'm doing this. It's up to you how much of you want to unsharp or sharp it. And then blurriness not required, so I'll keep it at 10. And then increase a little bit of saturation. I'll increase it to 25. And fade, bring it to 10. I guess that's enough. Okay, now press OK. Now the very most important thing is detailing. You need to go to the settings called beauty and then press detail. Detailing is something which you highlight a thing. Suppose you want to highlight my eye. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, I'm gonna highlight his beard. I'll show you how. So I'm gonna zoom a little bit on his beard. Okay, now I'm just rubbing it on his beard and mustache, and yeah, see, as you can see the difference, it's detailing. Wait, let me undo and show you again. Okay, now let me detail it again. As you can see, it's getting darker, it's getting more dark. So I'm gonna detail his beard and mustache also. Now his sunglasses also, little bit on his hair also. To look more good, I'm gonna detail even on his shirt also. As you can see the difference which is happening. So you detailing is done. And another thing, the more you increase the hardness and the more detailing it gives, remember that. Okay, so press the tick mark and then okay. All you gotta do is just save. That's it, the photo is gonna get saved in your gallery. That's all for today, guys. I hope the tutorial was very easy and anyone can do this in a minute. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment down below about your thoughts about this video, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload a video. So another happy news is that our Instagram account has reached 1,000 followers. So okay, I'll give you my Instagram link also. So please go follow if you haven't yet. So I'll meet you up in the next video of mine. Until then, bye bye. See you.